Hello friends, welcome back once again in our Parishram Coaching Classes YouTube channel. Now today I am going to talk about importance of English. Now today's condition, you are in your home because of the corona pandemic. But this particular duration, you are definitely boring in your home, no doubt. But now, in this particular duration, you have lots of time. You can make good use of it. If you focus on English, you know very well importance of English. This language is spoken all over the world. It is lingua franca. Wherever you go, you come to know that English existence. So English is everywhere from first standard to the till the end of our life. Whenever we learn different types of things, there is the small existence of the English, no doubt. But maximum people, maximum students, they always neglect at that particular study of the English. Why this so? When this language gives us lots of things, lots of good things, then why should we always neglect at? Actually, this is too much is a language. Too much is a language. But it depends on us. When we focus on it properly. In last video, I had told you LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing. But now today's, you know very well, in today's condition, I am going to talk about importance of English. When you come to know that importance of English, then automatically you can move towards English. It is too much important that each and every field, implementation is very essential. And practice, it is said that practice makes man perfect. If you practice in your home of speaking English, then automatically you can speak. In the very beginning, you commit more and more mistakes. Step by step, you can improve your mistake, no doubt. So, this language is very essential for all of us. You know very well, 10th standard, 12th standard, there is also paper of 80 marks. And now in today's condition, syllabus has changed of 12th standard. And application based syllabus has been included by the board. In the same way, first year, second year, final year, any field, engineer field, MBBS field, in MBBS field there is no existence of Marathi, only English and English. Wherever you go, you come to that English. But why we always neglect at this study of English? We should always focus on the study. It is very important in today's age. In coming generation, at least if we think about the coming generation, then we come to know that its importance. Okay, so they will definitely speak with each and everyone in English to English, no doubt. In today's condition, there is no, wherever we go, there is no atmosphere of English, no atmosphere. Why is so? Maximum people, maximum teachers in school, colleges, they don't speak English. They should always speak in English to English. Then automatically student can listen more and more, and one who listen more automatically speak. Minded man. So friends, now you know very well English. For learning English, we have to listen maximum English. We must try in our home. You know very well, child in the very beginning, newborn child, after you know very well, first, second and third year when he completes, then automatically he try to speak mother language. Why is so? He can also speak Marathi well. If he born in definitely in the Marathi family, then he tries to speak Marathi well, step by step. Her or his mother never teaches them that particular language or grammar, but automatically that children or boys or girls speaks Marathi well, English well, Hindi well. Why is so? It is the matter of atmosphere. You should create English atmosphere around you. Then step by step you are going towards speaking English. So every time when we start our YouTube, when we use our Google, when we different types of article, different types of websites are there. In today's conditions, speaking in English is became very easy. Why this so? Because every time, if you know very well, your mobile is always in your hand, and every time when you see or observe mobile well, then every time you always face different types of sentences of English, and maximum English you know very well. You know very well. Maximum English. You know very well what is YouTube. YouTube is English word. You know very well Google. Google is also English word. Different types of article also book. Maximum English word from morning to evening till the end of our evening till midnight, we can say. Maximum this particular span we know very well. We use maximum English word, but we say that I am unable to speak English. Definitely you are unable to speak English. If you come in now into this condition, it is easy. You are unable to speak English, definitely, no doubt. But if you try, then you can speak. Without trying, how is it possible? If you have to walk from here to there, then you will have to step, one step, second step, third step, fourth step, and then automatically you can reach there. But if you don't, then how is it possible to go or reach to your destination? Impossible. That's why maximum time try to speak English, English and English. Then commit more and more mistake. Automatically you can commit more and more mistake, because in the very beginning no one is perfect. Then step by step, all things are difficult before they are easy. After some time, after some span, when you study hard, when you practice more and more, then automatically step by step, you can achieve your goal, no doubt. So practice is essential for everyone. Commit more and more mistake. Try. And from morning to evening, when you wake up early in the morning, then at that moment you must write at least 10 sentences. You can use YouTube for sentences. Marathi, English, whatever it may be. Then these 10 sentences anyhow you will have to use till the midnight. Mind it well. Okay, in evening session. So step by step, and don't hesitate. Mind it well. So just remind that, just think about that. If we go in Andhra Pradesh, we don't know Telugu, they know very well Telugu. Why? Because Telugu is their mother tongue. Marathi is our mother tongue. English is Americans or British their mother tongue, no doubt. English is not our mother tongue. But because of practice, we can achieve it, no doubt. So we should try to speak. Just speak. So friends, now I have to tell you here, you will have to try from this instance, from this time. Automatically you can command over this international language. This is global language. You can earn some money from that language. Now you know very well I am teacher. Because of English I can survive my family. I can earn money for my family because of English. I am speaking in English with you because of practice. I can speak, then why can't you speak? Because of practice I can speak, then why can't you speak? So let's get started our speaking. Okay, in your home from morning to evening, try to speak again and again in English. Okay, so my best wishes are always with you, and maximum time you can watch our videos. Then you come to know that maximum English word, maximum sentences, maximum structures, different types of activities, you come to know that. Automatically you can improve. So my best wishes are always with you. Thank you very much.